What's up guys, today we're going over an absolutely tremendous before and after on the outside of this family SUV. It's about 10 years old now, so there's plenty of scratches and dings throughout the vehicle, along with tons of water spots. If you're curious about the auto detail process or just want to see how this Honda was cleaned up, go ahead and check out the full video in the description below. But without further ado, let's get into this before and after. As you guys saw, this Honda cleaned up really well. It almost looks like a new car again. And it'll stay this way for a while, even through the rain or anything, because of that protective wax we applied earlier. If you're at all interested in seeing that process, again, there's a link in the description below. And if you're interested in any of the products that were used, there's also links to that below. If you're not subscribed already, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future content. And drop a like if you enjoyed. Peace. Psst, hey, click one of those videos in front of you. And you didn't see me.